Hello everyone, Sniper Lord here, and today I want to break down my perspective or my speculations when it comes to trading gold. All right, so in the daily chart, we can see that gold has been bullish over the time and is also based on a few fundamental indicators. And if you look at the daily chart currently, I'm still expecting more bullish moves in the market. You can tell that we are having a similar scenario as this particular area here. So this particular scenario is also sort of printing itself here as well. Okay, so let's see how we can break it down. Currently, when I look at this chart, you can see the price has reacted to this rejection block here, and usually this is what I use to indicate or to determine my direction. I want to see price reject a particular rejection block. All right, in this particular case, price has rejected this support level here, and after rejecting, price closed above. So after price printing out this scenario, I would want to go to the H4 to find a few breakouts. Then in the H4, I'm not seeing anything clearer here, or there's probably no breakout here. Okay, and when I refine this particular daily level here, I would place it here on this H4 support level, right? So I would indicate this level as the H4 support, right? So after indicating this level, which is also around the daily support level, what I'll do next is that I'll go to the H1 time frame, and in the H1 time frame, as usual, we had this internal breakout here. Okay, we had this internal breakout here. So this internal breakout here was an indication to me that what price would want to push higher when it comes to trading gold. So this was my indicator for what a daily bullish direction. All right, now when we switch to the the M30 as well, you can see that we have multiple breakouts here. So we had this breakout here, we had this breakout here. So this is indicating that what price would want to push higher, and we always want to have a pullback before what a move in the market. So we want to have price target a premium area. And when I look at this chart, this was my premium area here, this gap level here. Okay, so that is what I would use. Okay, and also I use trend lines a lot to have more sniper entries. And when I look at this chart, the trend line pattern I saw was this particular level here. So we have this resistance support. So price broke out, came to tap, and what we have this rejection here. So looking at this scenario, I'm anticipating more buys towards these levels. Okay, so my first level is obviously to clear this high, then also to target this level, and then overall to target this level. Then we'll scale in to create new highs. Okay, so this was the indicator for me to be looking for more buy opportunities when it comes to trading gold. Okay, so this is my first entry for this week. All right, would be my first entry for this week. And then along the line, when price closes above this particular level here, all right, when price closes above this particular level here, so when we have a scenario like this, as usual, I would expect what a pullback, right? I would expect a pullback for more buy continuation. So one of the trend lines I would be using would be this particular trend line pattern here. Okay, so when price closes above and we enter into the London session, I would anticipate what a pullback into this trend line, and then we continue to scale in with more buy opportunities. All right, so with that much I say, I'll see you some other time. Bye.